Hi kids, today we are going to learn about the letter I. This is uppercase letter I and this is lowercase letter I. The sound of letter I is eh. And the words that begin with the letter I are I for insect, I for insect, I for iguana. Repeat after me. I for iguana. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. I for iron. I for iron. I for island. I for island. I for inside. I for inside. I for igloo. Repeat after me. I for igloo. I for infant. I for infant. I for India. Repeat after me. I for India. I for ink. I for ink. Do you want to learn about the next letter? Subscribe to my channel. Tata, bye bye, and thank you so much for watching my videos.